Hello guys, welcome to the day 2 of Python tutorial. Today in this section we are going to learn about formatted strings, and after that we are going to learn about operators like relational operator, arithmetic, and after that bitwise operator. Yeah, let's start. Now, formatted string. This is also called as fstring, which is nothing but used to the formation, like to format, like for example, print f double quotes again double quotes. Here, if we assign a value like a numerical value to a variable, uh, we can make like this: he equal to 8. Then uh, the value of a is, we can write like this: the value of a is, after that c, we can use like this. Control S F5. So now we can see in the shell window, see the value of a is 8. This is called a formatted string literals, um which means nothing but we can like format like this. This is the print function we are using f, which is represent the formatted string. This is the syntax. um, like whatever we mention in the set bracket, it will be shown the value of the variable. This will be very useful while we are using the arithmetic operators and so on. So let's see one more example. Okay, for example, if you want to uh, get name of a person, like, sorry, for example, name equal to in uh, uh, in sorry input double quotes double quotes sorry enter your name. Okay, the next line, um like place. For example, enter your place, like name of the town. Okay, so we can print like this. This is normal syntax for the print. Now for the formatter, we need to use f before the double quotes, so f, and then now we can write like this, uh, like I am, after that name, then from. Now place. Let's see what happened. Now in the cell window we can see the output. See, enter your name. For example, Ravi. Enter your place, like whatever he wrote. I am Ravi from Hero. Like this. We can use many things like this to print tables from 1 to 10, like that, whatever we wish. And also this much is used for learning formatted string. We can learn further, right? Okay. Mm, yeah. Now let's mm, just a minute. Now let's move towards the our next topic. Just a minute. Okay, let's yeah. Now let's move towards our topic. I just comment this by using multiple comments. Yeah. Now let's move towards our next topic. Uh, okay. Next we are going to learn about operators. See, operator, which is nothing. In computer programming languages, operators or special symbols which represent specific meaning to the compilers, and also based on matching conditions, the value of operator is called operands, which means the values we use to perform the operation, like 7 plus 5. In this, 7 and 5 are operands like A, B. If we assign A plus B like that. Okay. There are many types like arithmetic, operator, relational, logical, and assignment. Now we first going to learn about arithmetic operators. Let's focus on arithmetic operators. Okay. Now arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Let's see some notes. Okay. I will paste my notes. Which say already written. See. Arithmetic operator is a mathematical operator that takes two operands, sorry, and perform calculation on them. They are used for simple arithmetic operation, which is point two. Most computer languages contain a set of such operands that can be used within equation to perform different types of sequential calculations. This is just a normal definition. You will never require this kind of definition just to understand the things. So I will just comment this. Okay, let's move. Uh, First of all, we just do some calculation by manually. After that, we do the program. Okay. For example, let assume a equal to 100 and b equal to 10. I just come on this line. Here we are doing just a calculation by manually. Then we implement and check. Okay. First addition. For this we use plus symbol, right? For example, this here, the three arrows mentioning in the was just the execution lines. Like this part is execution, like coding. Okay, nothing other than that. Okay, for example, a plus b, then it's result. What would be the result? Just guess. Okay, I mentioned what is here. What the operation here we are doing, and this is the symbol. Okay. After that result, what will be the result? Here the execution. I mean, this is the example, and this is the result. Okay. Now, what will be the result? It will be 110. Next will be next subtraction. Subtraction. A minus b. Its result will be 90. Right? After that, multiplication. I simply write multiply. Okay, star. Now, now let's see. Star B for multiplication. We use star symbol. It will be 1 0 0 0 thousand. Okay. After that, division div. Okay, its symbol is just slash. Okay, a slash. I mean b. Okay, now it will be 10. This is all easy things, but we need to do manually and check the results by changing few things, like changing the type of the variables. Now this modulo. Um, yeah, there is a difference between modulo and percentage. Like, see, now guess the output for a modulo b. Like the modulo operation is mainly used to take the loss value, which means, for example, if we got 91 as an input, we need to separate the first and last digit of the two-digit number. We use modulo 10 to extract the 1. Okay, we can extract the last digit. Okay, now what would be the output? Um, like what would be the output? Just guess, which is simple. For example, okay, for we make some changes. For example, 30. Okay, its output will be 10. This is reminder. Okay, for example, the value of a is 100. So 100 modulo 30, which means uh totally till 90 it can be done. So in the quadrant it will be 3. The remainder it will be 10. We will got the remainder. Okay. The same thing happens in the 91. For example, if 91 is the given integer, let we modulo by 10, 9 will be gone, which means 90 will be gone, and we got back the 1 minus the remainder. Okay, we see the some problems like that, how to extract 3-digit, 2-digit numbers. Okay, after that, exponent. Exponent, which is nothing but power. Okay, for this, double star will be used. A double star 2, which is nothing but the a into a, which means just like 100 into 100. Okay, just send those one. Okay, after that, floor division. For this we will use double slash. Okay, a double slash 30. Okay, we will get 3 as the output, which is nothing but it will be remove the further other parts like the float parts. We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss the difference between float division and a normal division by seeing the examples. Okay, now we will go to this. Let's get input from the user, same we did in the previous thing, and let's check the our result. A equal to int input double quotes double quotes. So let's make a space for just alignment. Okay, now b equal to int input double quotes for B. Okay, space, double quotes. Let's close this. Now we got two value. Next, what we do to do? First, addition. So let's print double quotes. Sorry. See, here we can use the fstring format specifier f addition. Within the set bracket, we can write a plus b. We don't need to do like a plus b, some like this. This will be more useful. Same for print fstring. No subtraction. Sorry, somewhere I'm making some mistakes because of typing. Sorry. We can align the space to be for some neatness. A minus b. Let's close this. Now Terlen print string double quotes a star b. F double quotes division a divided by b. Okay, now same modulus a modulo. We can write a modulo 30b because we do this in the example. So we will continue with the now exponent, which means power. For power, we have two things like we can do the exponent and also we by the built-in functions we have by importing the math we can use pow which means power function which is an built-in function. While seeing learning about the function topic, I will cover about the built-in functions also. Like we have lots of built-in function. For example, we can find them in max. Not only that, for factorial also we are having built-in functions. That is a large built-in functions. Now float division, which is means integer division. Okay. Now control plus F5. Now you can see the output. Just a minute. In the shell window, now you will see the output. See. Now here we need to enter the value of a. We will enter what we assume. Okay, 100 and now 10. C. Addition 110. We don't know to explain this basics. Sorry, just a minute. Addition 110, subtraction 90, multiplication. In the division, now you can see that would be 10.0, which is nothing but the float value. In the modulus, it will be integer, exponent also you can understand. Let's see the difference about division and float division. So in the division part, it will carry the float, which means after the point we have a digit. Float division, we will only have the integer values. There will be no other values. Okay, we will have only integer values. For example, we can also specify how many digit that we can have after this point. Like, let's go to the coding section and we will change and see the output. See. In the coding part, um, we can specify how much values that we can have. For example, division, right? In this we can specify. For example, let's see this is two. Sorry, I mean point two f, which means float. Okay, control plus. We can see the output by. Okay, now you can see the shell window here 100 and then 10. See, in the division part, now you can see 10.00 because in the formatted string, we mentioned that we need two digits after the point, okay, which means two floating points, okay. This is also one of the use of formatted string, like we can mention how much digits we can need, like we can mention more digits if you need 8, 16, whatever you want. And also the default floating value is 6. Okay, let's go. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, okay. Now, okay, once again, you just see the ideally part as well. It will be useful. See, if you have any doubt in this, just come and I will clear your doubts. Um, okay, let's be move towards our next topics. Ne on next, we are going to learn about, yeah, just a minute. I need to just arrange the screen. Okay, now the screens are okay. Now let's back to the coding section. See, yeah, now you can see the coding part. Now let's go towards go towards our next part, which is nothing but we are now we are going to learn about relational operator. Okay, now we are going to learn about a relational operator. After that, sorry, just a minute. In this section, we are going to learn about relational operator, which means greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, like that, double equal to, and so on. Okay, just a minute. I have some network issue. Within few minutes, I will resolve it. Sorry for the incoming. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah. After that, we will learn about the assignment operator. That is also easy, which is too easy. After that, we will do some coding, and after that, conditional operator, which is also known as ternary operator, and we will wind up our section at that point. Okay, let's focus on relational operator. Okay, now we are going to learn about our second thing, relational operator. Just just a minute. Oops. Yeah, now it's okay. I will come at this line. This is our second part, which is relational operator. Okay, sorry. Yeah, which is nothing but greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, sorry, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to, right? These are the operations. Greater than, less than, greater than, or equal. Okay, and then less than or equal, less than or equal. After that, equal. Um, in every programming language, we will use double equal to compare two values whether it is equal or not. Because single equal to used for assignment, which is assignment operator, which that is not an to check the condition. Um, that is for if we use double equal to, it will assign the value to the variable. It doesn't check the way equality. Okay. C for okay, this is equal, and then this is not equal. This is not. This is not equal. Okay. This is not equal. Okay. Now, yeah. Let's just a minute. Sorry. Um, equal to, not equal to. Okay. These are the things that we going to learn. Like previous things, we will show the output by manually first. After that, we will focus on coding and see the output and learn from it. Okay. Okay. Now, um, we s- we just say about the examples. Like, for example, let us assume like equal to 100, like previous, and b equal to 35. Okay. Now, for example, a double equal to b. No, it is not the thing. Okay, this is false. So the output will be false. Usually in other programming languages, we will get like 1 or 0 for true or false in C. C will is like that. For 1 means true, 0 means false. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Okay. Um, Now, in this programming languages, we will directly get we will directly get the value like true or false or whatever it may be. And then next, now I just remove this space. Okay. Now greater than a greater than b, which means 100 greater than 35. That is true. Here, here I using double slash just to separate this, not any particular purpose. 100 double equal to 35. This means no, instead of that I will use this. It will be now easy for you to classify this. Okay, here 100 greater than 35, which is true. So the output will be true. Okay, here a less than b, which means nothing. 100 less than 35. Now it will be 100 less than 35, right? See, 100 is greater than 35, so the output will be false. Okay, now on the next thing, a greater than or equal to b. See, a is not equal to b, but a is greater than b. So the output will be true. So 100 greater than or equal to 35, which is true. Okay. After that, a less than or equal to, sorry, A less than or equal to B 100, sorry, 100 less than or equal to 35. 100 is neither less than 35 nor equal to 35. So the output will be false. Now we clear. Okay. And next, and the last thing, not equal to. We've seen about greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to, and now not equal to. Okay. For not equal to, we will use this exclamatory symbol and equal. Exclamatory symbol we also use in upcoming topics for the not operation to mention not symbolical representation of not. Okay, which means 100 not equal to 35. Yeah, it's true. So the output will be true. Done. Okay. Let's go to this. I just comment this. If you need, just take a screenshot for this. This will be useful for your exam written parts. If you need to write on written parts, if you write like this, it will be helpful for you to score marks. I use this technique and score some good marks if you mention like this and classify because in your exams first you need to write like this what it means like rather than less than symbols its meaning after that like this interpreter mode of code after that you need to write a more brief code this will be useful and they will know does how much you understand the code it will be shown for written parts you can write like this it will be more helpful. Okay, let's focus on coding. Just get two input first. Two input A equal to int input enter, yeah. Enter value for A. Okay, let's close this. Now for B equal to integer input double quotes enter, yeah, sorry, enter value for B. Okay, let's give a space here. Okay, okay, now you can see, and now we are going to take about two integers which we are called as operands. We will perform arithmetic operator on this operands. Okay, now let's go to the moving part. Okay, again, like the previous thing we here also we going to print like that. Print fstring here we are using fstring. Okay, uh, greater than. Like we can print like this. For example, A is greater than B. Like we can also use like, yeah. Now here we can see the result as well, like this. A greater than B, sorry, A greater than B. Like this we can see which will be show 100 is greater than 35, and after that what is the result, true or false, like this. Okay, if you're comfortable with this we will continue like this. Now I continue with like this. If you need any changes you can mention in the comment section. I will change in the upcoming videos. Okay, f double quotes now A is, sorry, is less than B. We can align this. Okay, let's give one more space. Here also we give some space. Okay, less than b for, okay. After that we will, sorry, now let's continue. Print f double quotes a. Now what we see is a is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to b. Okay, fine. At last we will change the space, sorry, greater than or equal to b. Okay, close double quotes. Okay, now let's continue. uh Print f string, okay, a, which is now we are going to see about less than or equal to, so we like less than or equal to b. Less than or equal to b. Okay, now let's see equal. Okay, print f string a is to be inside the, we need to write the, if we instead of using the set bracket, without set bracket, we will write, it will just show a or b. If we need to show the value inside the variable, we will need to mention the variable inside of the set bracket. Okay, a double equal to, now the last not equal to, yeah, k is not q is equal to b. See, in this, we need to align to get the output in a nice way. Otherwise, it will be like a chaos. We will just, sorry, we don't need to align this thing because it's just A and B values. So yeah, it's like this is okay. We just need to align this. Just give some space to for a nice alignment. Yeah, now it's perfect. Let's Control plus yes, which is used to save the file and the file. Now we can see the output. Okay, enter a value. Just a minute. Yeah, now you can see, enter the value of A. For that, we already assume 100. Just a minute. 100. For B, 35. Now you can see the output. 100 is greater than 35. True. 100 is less than 35. False. 100 is greater than or equal to 35. True. 100 is less than or equal to 35. False. 100 is equal to 35. False. 100 is not equal to 35. It's true. Okay. No, you got the point. And also there is a small thing. We already seen that keyboards, normally Python is a case sensitive programming like this. See here, the true and the false both are in caps. Okay, the first letter T, F both are in caps. If you use a small letter, it will be not considered as a keyword. So you need to be aware of caps and small, because Python is a case sensitive programming language. Okay, you should be keep the thing in mind. It is better to be aware. Now let's move towards our next topic. It's already 40 minutes. Uh, Within 20 to 25 minutes, I will cover the logical operator, and after that, assignment operator. That's few things we have. Okay, let's move towards the logical operator. Like just I will arrange the coding. Just a minute. Yeah, now let's move back to the coding. Yeah, now you can see the white screen. This is ideally the best for Python using ideally is the best thing. Okay, let's see. Just a minute. Yeah, guys. Now we will see. This is our third topic, I think. So third, yeah, this is our third topic. This is one of the most important topic. Yeah, this is nothing. We are going to learn about logical operator. Sorry. Uh, yeah, yeah. Uh, so sorry. See, this is logical operator. In Python, we have four. I mean, like sorry. In Python, we have three logical operator and or not. In every programming languages, we have three logical operator. In C++, like that we are use double and double straight line and for not we will use exclamation, but here we will use uh, like the text channels. This is or this is keyword. See, it will be shown in the orange color or and not. This three is keywords. Okay, we can not use this as for other purpose. Okay, for example, let's see. Okay, there is no symbols. This is the keyboard, so we need to directly use those things. For example, if we have a equal to 97 space b equal to 35, and then we will evaluate the following like this or okay, and then and after that not sorry not okay. For first of all for or we will focus a greater than b or a double equal to VB, which is nothing but greater than or equal to. Okay, like what will be the output? Which means what is saying 97, sorry, 97 greater than B, which means 35 or 97 double equal to 35. See, in this second case is false. 97 double equal to 35 is false, but 97 is greater than 35. So we need any one case to be true, like true or false, which means we need any one case to be true. Okay, it will be printed as true, so the output will be true. Okay, now let's see the next for and. For example, same case we consider the same case a greater than b and a double equal to b. In this scenario, which means we need both cases to be true. Okay, here 97 greater than 35, which is true. So we need to do space. Okay, and 97 double equal to 35, which is false. For or we need either one to be true, the output will be true. But for and we need both to be true. Okay, otherwise it will be shown like shown false. For and if we change the code like this, a greater than b and a not equal to b, its output will be true, which means 97 greater than 35 and 97 not equal to 35. In this scenario, both cases are true, so the output will be true. Okay, in this scenario, both cases are true, the output will be true. For not, it just invert the output. For example, if we use like this, we consider the same scenario, which means a greater than b and a double equal to b. Okay, usually this is what? False. But if we use the exclamation symbol before this, sorry, which means not, okay, then the output will be what? It will invert the output. This is like inversion. Okay, this is just invert the output. If we get the original output is true, it will invert it into false. For example, which means nothing but I will write the symbolic representation, which means okay, I will type this not 97 greater than 35 and 97 double equal to 35, which is false we saw in the second line. But now we will get the output as true because of the not. Okay, we will get the output as true, so its output will be true. Just a minute. Now you if I need a screenshot, just check this. Okay, yeah, this is just the our manual part. Now let's do the execution based on this. We will just come on this line. See, for example, print. Sorry, the print should be small. Okay, we need to mention it small. If you use caps, it will be not considered as keyword. Okay, and see, okay, operation. Okay, first of all, we will do the same, just like copy paste. Okay, we just first of all we get the values. Okay, before the sprint we will get values for both a and b. A equal to int input double quotes enter a value for, sorry, for a. Okay, double quotes, close this. In the next line we will write b equal to int input double quotes enter a value for I hope so everything I did correct. If I made any mistake, just mention in the command line. Okay, yeah, now just do this. uh, uh, I think so we don't need the f strings here. uh, like just we mentioned it as the strings a greater than. Otherwise if you need yeah, we just okay, we will use the f strings as well. Okay, this will be helpful to understand f, which means a format, specific format string. Okay, a, here we need a greater than and then b. Okay, one space or, and okay, here we need to mention yeah, just or. Now okay, double equal to b. Okay, a greater than b or a double equal to b. Now the value, I mean this part will be shown as the output. Now we need this output true or false, whatever it may be. So just colon. After that we will again use the format a greater than b or a double equal to b, double quotes. Okay, let's just continue this. Right. Today we will cover about operators completely. After that, tomorrow we will see about the iterative statements and I mean flow of control. We will learn about the loops for while and do while, and after that if else, everything switch match case. Okay. Now a less than, sorry, a greater than b, and we just align. Okay. A, yeah, a double equal to b. Okay, a greater than b and a double equal to b double quotes. Okay, now the next thing, print again f string a greater than b, a not equal to b semicolon, sorry, a greater than b and a not equal to b double quotes, close this, and after that print f string double quotes a I mean not, we will use simple like this, not a greater than b and a, I mean within the curly braces, a double equal to b. Just close this. Before that we, sorry, I missed a thing. Yeah, sorry guys. A greater than b and a double equal to b. Before that we are going to use not. Okay, control plus, yes, f. Okay, sorry, invalid syntax. Sorry, I missed bracket. Sorry, if I see logical operate. Sorry, just move to the ideally screen. Okay, logical operations. Enter a value for a. Now we have to enter the value, which means sorry. Okay, 97. Enter a value for b, 35. Okay, c, a greater than 35 or 97, sorry, 97 greater than 35 or 97 equal to 35. A greater than 35 is true and 97 equal to 35 is false. So here we use our operation, so it display true. In the next scenario we use and show it false, and after that, yeah, we change it a greater than 35. Sorry, here I made a mistake in the coding. Instead of writing separately, I return it inside a single. we will change. Okay, I will change to the coding screen. The coding screen, you can see this. Yeah, here I made that mistake. Not equal to B. Yeah, now it's correct. We just align this. Okay, Control plus yes and Fi. Now you can see the output again. Yeah, 97, enter, 35, enter. Alright. See, now you can see the change. 97 not equal to 35 is true. 97 greater than 35 is true. So the both output will be true. And in this case, last one, we use invert operation for the second thing. Okay, this false is converted into true. Okay, I hope you could understand these things. Okay, let's move towards the next thing. Okay, yeah. Let's move towards the assignment operator. Let's check the time. Whoa, it was already 56. Oh my god, 56 minutes over. Yeah, I'm taking too much time. Um, okay, today with the assignment operator, we will conclude the thing. After that, we will move towards the upcoming task. Okay, let's move towards the assignment operator. Let's back to the coding, which is nothing but do the arithmetic operation and assign back the value to the operator. It's a operands itself. Sorry, operands itself. Okay. See, we just command these things as well. By just storing it in a single file to provide it for you. Okay, good. Yeah. Now the fourth topic, assignment operator. This is completely easy. Okay, assignment operators. Like assignment operators, we have equal to, plus, equal to, after that same, minus, equal to, sorry, minus, equal to, and multiply, equal to, and divide, equal to, yeah, like this. Here we are having values like this. Okay, which is nothing but, for example, a equal to 10. So I will write here itself. Okay, right here, a equal to 10, which means a is a value which is assigned to the variable named a. Sorry, 10 is the value which is assigned to the variable named a. For example, we will continue with this for a plus, equal to 5. It will be a equal to a plus 5, which means a equal to, what is the value of a? 10 plus 5, which means a will become a equal to 15. This is this case, like a plus equal to 5 means a equal to a plus 5, which means um with a add 5. Okay, and assign back to the a itself. For example, if we just write a plus 5, it will be 15, and the value of a is always 10. Here we are changing the value of a permanently. A plus equal to 5 means we will add 5 with the value inside a and then store it back to the a itself. Okay, now the value of a became 15. Okay, for example, next minus subtraction as well. A mi sorry, minus equal to 5, which means a equal to a minus 5. Okay, a equal to, what is the a? Now the value of a is 15. 15 minus 5, which means a will become the previous value. Uh, sorry, a equal to 10. Simple. Same. Now a multiple equal to like okay 5. Okay, here I using the same values to get the thing simple. You can write whatever value you wish, right? A equal to a divided by 5. Now it will become a sorry a multiple of 5. Okay, a equal to what was the value of a? 10 into 5, which means a will be 50. I give here a few pages. Okay, now the last thing, a uh, divide equal to 5. Okay, which means a equal to a divided by 5, which means a equal to what is the a? 50. Sorry, 50 divided by 5, which means a equal to 10. Simple. This is the thing. Okay, let's do the coding and understand these things. There is nothing more to uh, learn in this. Just it will do the operation and add the value back to the operand itself. Okay, for example, a equal to 10. We just assign this. Okay, print double quotes like a plus equal to 5. Okay, like instead of a I will use its original value itself. Okay, now here I will use a plus equal to 5. Okay, here also I will just as usual a equal to int input double quotes like before we were just like this, like instead of a long sentence and a value from a word words we can use like this. Okay, right. Okay, which means 10 plus is equal to, it will show the output here. Just okay, simple. Let's continue this print. So for this we need to use f before this, otherwise it will not work. A uh, minus equal to 5 space colon space a minus equal to 5 double quotes print, we have double quotes a multiply equal to 5 space semicolon space a multiply equal to 5. Okay, we have double quotes a slash equal to 5 double quotes a slash equal to 5 double quotes, close this. Okay, now all the 5 things are done. Control plus yes and F5 to see the output. Just a minute. Okay, accepting equal to not or okay, we can't able to use this. Okay, instead of this we can just copy. Because sorry, this things happens because of the adding the values. Okay, here we can't able to add in this, so we just remove this. Okay, just control sorry shift, so control X and comma control V. Okay, just do like this, just close this. Sorry. Now I can understand what mistake I done, because we just need to print the value of a, not the entire thing. Sorry. This is a silly mistake that I made. I'm extremely sorry for that. We just need to mention this. Sorry, if we did like this, there is nothing to be printed. See, the value of a plus equal to 5, then what will be printed? We need to print the value of a. Okay. Um, See this. I'm just printing this like the scenario. Okay, it can't able to do print like that. A plus equal to 5 means we need a value, a single value, not a whole equation. Okay, so we need to print the value of a. That is enough. Now we will get the required output. This is the reason for the error. That is a silly mistake. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see the shell window, which is the output screen. Just a minute. Yeah. Now we can enter the value of a. Okay. Uh, okay. Now we can enter the value of a. Whatever we can whatever we wish, we can enter. Previously what we did on coding is we enter a equal to 10, so we just give this a, sorry guys, just a minute, a equal to 10. See, 10 plus equal to 5. My, sorry, I didn't perform the operation. I'm extremely sorry. Hmm, that is a silly mistake. Sorry, in the coding I again made a mistake. See, now it will run properly. See this. Sorry guys, just a minute. Yeah, now you can see the screen. Sorry, I did the thing correctly, but small confusion. Sorry. See this. Yeah, now it's correct. I hope so. See, control plus yes. F5. Oh my god. Sorry, where I'm making the mistakes. Yeah, now I can understand what where I made the mistake. See, okay, just write the enter. See, the first thing is correct, and again this is also correct, because we, instead of this, just cut this, just a. The previous thing is correct, but see, in this one thing, we just need to copy paste this control plus c, sorry, which means a plus equal to 5. See, we can't able to directly print. We just need to print the a. Here, this is a f string, not the operation. We here just typing, but we didn't operate it. We need to do this operation. Before that, value of a is printed. First we need to do the operation like this, a plus equal to 5, and after that we need to print a. Again the same thing, just shift control plus x, a, control plus b. See, just copy paste this. Sorry guys, I will change this mistake. Okay, just a multiplication, sorry, control plus a star equal to 5. I mean a multiply equal to 5. Now a star. Now a divide equal to 5. Yeah, now everything is okay. Sorry. Now you can see everything will run correctly. Okay, 10. See, yeah. Uh, because here it is showing as 15, because uh, we see, we did it first, and after that we are doing like this. So the value will be like this. Okay. In the coding, if in the coding, instead of using f string, we will use a normal thing. then it will be correctful, or otherwise we need to just change the things like uh, for example we can also see instead of this just remove this like this a plus equal to like this is a value, so whenever we print the value of a after the operation, the output will be like this. Now control plus yes f5. Now you can see the output correctly. Okay, just sorry 10. See, a plus equal to 5, 15, a minus equal to 5, 10, a multiply equal to 5, 50, a divided equal to 5, 10. So what the thing we did in the previous cases, here we just write the f strings, here also we just write the expression, but not the operation. Okay, we need to write the operation separately. After that, whenever we print the value of a, it will be shown the operation value. Okay, like this a plus equal to 5, then here 10 plus 5 will be then a become a equal to 15. So the value of a will be shown here. If you use f string here, then the value of a will be also directly printed. Okay, then we may see that 15 plus 5 equal to 15, which is wrong. We know that because this value of a is printed. Okay, sorry, in the last topic I made a few mistakes that will make you confused. I'm sorry for that. Now this is the correct thing. Okay, now one of the last topic is conditional operator, but we will see that on our next class because that is a most important thing. Like we can write a sentence within a line itself. After completing if else, if topics, if ladder. After that, we will came back to the conditional operator. Okay. Now, yeah, now it's okay. Let's wind up the section here. If you have any doubt, just mention it on the comment section. I will clear that. Okay. Thank you.